Curious ka ba what is cryptocurrency, Kay Ilonggo? Tara, samahan niyo ako. Alamin natin. Ang cryptocurrency ay isang digital na form of money that uses cryptography to secure transactions and it operates on a decentralized network o yung tinatawag nilang blockchain technology na ang ibig sabihin no single entity na kumokontrol dito. Example, Bitcoin, siya yung first at kilala na cryptocurrency at sinundan ng mga altcoin like Ethereum, XRP, at iba pa. Katulad nito kay Hotcoin, isang cryptocurrency platform na pwede nang simulan yung crypto journey mo. Si Hotcoin is a global blockchain digital asset international platform brings users with warm and cozy. Before I forget, kung wala ka pang Hotcoin, just visit in my bio. I-click mo lang yung Linktree, then click Hotcoin, mag-sign up, and you are ready to go. At ang maganda pa dito kay Hotcoin, after mong makapag-sign up, merong rewards vouchers na pwedeng mong magamit sa futures trading as a rebate. Tapos, gawin mo lang yung mga tasks na nakalagay dito, step by step, at para ma-unlock mo yung iba pang trading vouchers. Trade cryptocurrency on Hotcoin. The world leading, stable and secure, easy to use, and ultimate service. Now, start your first trade with Hotcoin. God bless.